Hello everybody, this is a quick video to show you how to make an extra shelf on your kitchen cupboard. So for example, just like this one here, you also have extra holes in here that you can fit in extra shelves just like this one to hold more things. But before we do that, can I just ask everybody to subscribe to my channel and give me a thumbs up if you like the video, and why not share it with friends and family who would like to do the same or are struggling for shelves. Before we move on, I would just like to say that a lot of people watch my videos, but unfortunately not a lot of them support the channel and subscribe. So please, it will do me a huge favor if you actually press the subscribe button and enjoy the video. So to get started, what we do, get into the cupboard that you want to create an extra shelf for, and the existing ones, they just lift up like that. And as you can see, you have pins over here, so they're not stuck to anything, they're just freestanding on them. So what you do, you remove this first. So in order to remove this and create an extra shelf, we will need this to come out and then put it on top of a board and draw around that other board the same size as this is, in order to create the same one for underneath here, or place it above this one. In this case, this will come out easily, but sometimes when you're sliding this out, the cupboard door, especially if you have something behind it like I do, I have a fridge and I can't open it any wider, it won't let you slide the shelf out. So what you do, very easy, you just remove the cupboard door. It's got 2 screws there. You unscrew it there, unscrew it here, and then this will automatically come out, and then you can slide this out. Whatever you do, guys, don't play around with these, because then it will just mess around with the actual cupboard door, and it won't close properly, smoothly as it does now. So, but for me, luckily, this one just goes up like so, and then give it a little twist, and then it comes out. Once you've done that, like mentioned earlier, you take this and you put it on a different piece of board. It might be bigger. In this case, I've got one nearly the same size. Place it on top of it. Draw a line with a pencil going around it where you're actually going to cut through. And so to make things easier, I've done it already. I've drawn around the existing one, and then that's where I'm going to be cutting it, and using this, the same as that, to slide in this cupboard door. In order to cut the board, what we're going to do is use a saw like this one. Very handy to use. Make sure the safety is on before you start, but very handy saw, and it will cut through wood like that. So before we start, we get something to put the board on top. For example, this one, I'm going to use this paint to put this on top, and it will be best to get somebody to help you. Maybe hold it down while I'm cutting through this way and this way. So there you have it, guys. The board is now cut with the same size as the original one. So before we go ahead and put it in, we just put it on top of it to make sure that we've done the right measurements, that we cut it exactly right. And as you can see, from all angles, it's all done correctly. And this should be able to slide right in the cupboard door. After you've cut the wood, the shelf, and it's ready to go in, You also got to install these pins, just like these ones. For me, luckily, their holes were there, so I just got these from IKEA. And I put one there, one here, and one over here as well. And then all you have to do is slide the shelf in. Okay, so let's give it a go and see if it's gonna fit. So very slowly, just slide it in all the way to the bottom, and just give it a little push like that, and it should be very stable and ready to hold this up. We're also going to put the original one that we took out, give it a little clean, and the same way as the other one, you slide this one in too, give it a little push down again, and there you have it, guys. You now have two shelves, so you can put things on top here, some things in the middle, and also at the bottom. Hope you enjoyed the video. Please don't forget to subscribe, share, and give me a thumbs up if you like this video. So final result, guys, inside the cupboard, kitchen cupboard, as you can see, there was only one shelf here, now there's two. So I've got some trays, some olive oil, some stuff over here, some napkins and stuff like that at the bottom. So now I've made more space for myself in the kitchen to put more stuff inside.